Good morning and welcome back to Know Your Coverage. This is episode 3, and today we will be talking about a coverage called increased cost endorsement. So the last couple weeks we've went over replacement cost, and then last week we talked about guaranteed replacement costs, what the difference in those were. Today we're going to talk what they call increased cost. This is kind of like the guaranteed replacement cost. It's an endorsement that you can add to your homeowner's policy. That gives you a little additional coverage above that replacement cost amount that's on your policy. So, like I said, in week 1, we talked about replacement cost, how these insurance companies are coming up with the value of your home, square footage, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, all of that, based on a dollar per square foot. That's the replacement cost. Last week, we talked about the guaranteed replacement cost, where there's that additional cushion for coverage. And then this week, the increased cost endorsement. So every company is a little bit different with this endorsement. So you'll want to check with your agent, give us a call. Every company, when they offer it, there's some of them are offering, 10% additional, some are 25% additional. It's just however that company is kind of set up. So essentially how this works is, let's go back to the example we used for the last 2 weeks. If your house is insured for $300,000 and you have that increased cost endorsement on there, essentially what that is, let's say, the company, their endorsement is 10% additional. So what that essentially is doing is giving you an extra 10% of coverage in the event of a total loss. So at the time your house, on the policy says $300,000. With that endorsement, you're getting 10% of that, so another $30,000. So essentially your policy would read as $330,000. So in the event of a total loss, just like the guaranteed, instead of just that $300,000, if cost of materials are up, you can't rebuild it for that. There is that additional cushion on there. So it's a little bit less expensive to add it than the guaranteed replacement cost, but it doesn't give you that full amount necessarily. It just gives you a slight increase, 10%, 25%, like I said, however the company that you're working with does it. But most companies are now offering that. So, again, it's another option for you. Again, you have the replacement cost, the guaranteed, or the increased cost endorsement that you can add. So I would check with your agent, check with us, give us a call, see what your options are, see what maybe you have. And again, we will put our information in the comments below. Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Give us a follow, give us a share. And then next week we'll be back. We will talk about actual cash value. So that's probably the least common coverage on your homeowner's policy, but we will circle back to that and the advantages and disadvantages of that. So as always, we appreciate you guys. We appreciate you helping us help you. And we hope you have a great day. Thank you.